Hi, it's Dave, author of Dialing Strangers, Overcoming Your Fears of Inbound and Outbound Phone Calls. Today I want to talk to you about upsell and cross-sell. Remember this, your customers are disappointed if you don't ask them about upsell and cross-sell. Now first today in our training, I want to talk to you about the numbers. 33% of the customers that you ask, would you like to buy, did you know about, this is after they placed an order, will say yes. Now I'll use an analogy that I first learned this. When I go to McDonald's, they said, would you like fries with that? They've discovered that 33% say yes. Another 33% will ask the question, why? So it's important we explain why they would need that. So if they ask us why, we explain why they need us. Now another 33% of the people you ask, would you like to buy? Would it make sense? Will tell you, no thank you. Now the hardest part to overcome when you're on the phone is thinking what you would do in this circumstance. So I want you to remember this. It's none of your business what other people think about you. It's only your business what you think about you. So it's imperative that you remember this, because if we take out the folks that say no, your opportunity to increase sales comes out to 66%. Now, how do you remember this? How do you always remember? So the first thing I do on my keyboard near the big screen is I write, by the way. So in this particular case, I would say, by the way, this month, a lot of the dogs are dealing with ticks. Should I throw in some Bravecto? That might be an opportunity that I could do. I can also say, did you know that a lot of doctors are going through 3cc syringes right now? Should I go ahead and throw in a box? I also put in there, as I look at, by the way, did you know, and the last one I say is, have you heard about? Have you heard about? These are real easy to remember. Have you heard about? Have you heard about our new syringes? Have you heard about our new trach tubes? Whatever works along that way. But when I get done, after the order has been placed, write this down. By the way, did you know? Have you heard about? So here's going to be your homework today. As soon as you're done watching this, I want you to write these three elements down that I put on the board, and I want you to practice with a teammate, and I want you to use your product. By the way, Bravecto is working better than ever this month on killing ticks. Would it make sense to send you some? Did you know that we have a special on 3cc syringes? Have you heard about our new trach tubes? I want you to practice that. Remember, the worst time to think of it is when it comes out of your mouth. So what I do is I take a sticky note and I put 1, 2, or 3 of these up so I always remember. And if you've forgotten here, we're going to slide over and remember the numbers. 66% of your customers are expecting you to ask them, by the way, have you heard about, and did you know? More to come. I'm Dave Tester.